Hey guys, today I'm going to help you decode one of the most fascinating chapters in Class 9 Science Tissues. If you've ever wondered why plants and animals have different structures and how they function, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. So, what's a tissue? Well, a tissue is a group of cells that work together to perform a specific function. In multicellular organisms, cells are specialized and grouped into tissues to carry out various tasks. Now, there are two main categories of tissues: plant tissues and animal tissues. Let's first explore plant tissues. Plants, being stationary, have unique needs. Their tissues are divided into meristematic and permanent tissues. First, let's talk about meristematic tissue. These are the growth tissues of plants. The cells are constantly dividing with large nuclei and thin walls. They're found in regions like the tips of roots and shoots, apical meristem, along the sides for increasing thickness, lateral meristem, and between nodes, intercalary meristem. Next, we have permanent tissue. These form when meristematic cells lose their ability to divide. They're further categorized into simple, permanent, and complex permanent tissues. Simple permanent tissue is made of similar cells. We have parenchyma, living cells with thin walls that store food, and some, like chlorenchyma, help in photosynthesis. There's also erenchyma, which aids buoyancy in aquatic plants. Then we have collenchyma, providing flexibility and mechanical support, and sclerenchyma, which consists of dead cells that give rigidity to hard parts like seed coats. Complex permanent tissue is made of different types of cells working together: xylem, which transports water, and phloem, which transports food, glucose. Xylem is mostly dead cells, while phloem is mostly living cells. Moving on to animal tissues. These are more complex due to the active movement and varied functions of animals. First up, epithelial tissue. This covers body surfaces and lines internal organs. It's categorized into types like simple squamous for diffusion in lungs, stratified squamous for protecting the skin, columnar in the intestine, ciliated for the respiratory tract, and cuboidal in glands. Next, connective tissue. This tissue connects, binds, and supports body parts. Types include areolar tissue filling spaces inside organs, adipose tissue storing fat, bone providing support, cartilage in places like the nose and ear, ligaments connecting bones, tendons connecting muscles to bones, and blood transporting materials. Then we have muscular tissue responsible for movement. There are striated or skeletal muscles for voluntary movements, smooth muscles in internal organs for involuntary movements, and cardiac muscle, found only in the heart. Lastly, nervous tissue. This controls and coordinates body activities through neurons or nerve cells. Neurons transmit messages via electrical impulses and consist of a cell body,